Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
And what do we have specifically, guys? This is a 2012 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on. You have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood on your F-150 above the radiator, but we don't need this one today. We're going to work on the one that's inside your truck, okay, on the passenger side, under the glove box, in the kick panel. You remove that plastic cover here. Once you remove it, you open the fuse box and you're going to see your fuses just like that. By taking the picture, guys, and zooming in, we can clearly show you exactly which fuse you need to check. But first, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So which fuse we need to check now? We'll be working in that left row right here on the left side. Even if you have a missing fuse, you still count that spot. Coming from the very top, it will be fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That 10M fuse, guys, right here, that's the one that you need to check. If you count from bottom to top, will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fuse from bottom to top. That's known as fuse number F11, guys. F11 fuse. So that fuse will need to be checked specifically, okay, for the instrument cluster, the gauges.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.